Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is change the air filter and clean the mass airflow sensor. And it's just a Ryco A1569 for this car. Now, to get this off, just disconnect the plug for the mass airflow sensor there. Then the loom is taped onto a connector at the back. What I do is cut the tape. Now, there's just two clips, 1, 2, and it's a 10 mil bolt. Now, inside here is your mass airflow sensor. Now, it's important to do this off the car. You don't want to be spraying that chemical down into the intake. I'm using a CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. In there is a couple of pins. All you need to do is give it a spray with this. And that's it. Now just let that dry. Now don't touch it, because if you touch it you can break it, and from what I understand they're not cheap. Okay, so there's the air filter. Now generally if you look up, if you put it in the way of the sun, generally how good you can see the sun through it tells you how dirty it is. But look, I'm not going to muck around with it. Now you can see the light coming through that compared to that. Basically, this is where the air comes in, goes through the filter, then it feeds into the intake manifold. Just make sure there's no crap in there, in the airbox. Get my little vacuum. Okay, so now before you go putting your new air filter on, just clean the airbox out if there's rubbish in it. Okay, it's done. Okay. Now these filters only go in one way. And that's it. Okay. Now the mass airflow sensor's dry now. Ready to go back on. Just make sure everything's clean. Just again, don't touch in there. Just let the spray do its job and that's it. Don't touch it. There's two catches there at the back. Just make sure that they get on. Make sure everything sits right. The clip should go on without too much pressure. Make sure that pipe's back on. Put it back up. Doesn't have to be extremely tight, just needs to hold on. Get the clip back on. Okay, just need to reattach the loom back on now, so basically just wrap some around the loom first. Then just run it back around the little clip on the back there. The tape gets around at least a couple of times. That's it. It'll hold it there. And just make sure all your connections are back on. Remove all your tools. Make sure the engine's right. Just start the car and make sure that everything is working and that everything's gone back on properly. And that's it.